Hello everyone, and today is the 10th of December and we are ready to test our AI models on the advent of code. Yesterday I've created a comparison chart for about all the models that we've tested out, and it looks something like this. So what we can see here, firstly, what we can see that I've not tested O1 on all the problems. I will definitely run on all, I would like to create then a later script that will run all of the models on all of the problems automatically and give them like 3 attempts probably for each task. We'll see how it goes. But at that time, when after I've created the script, it will be testing on both of the problems using the same model. So currently, what we did before with our tests on all of the 9 days over there, that we tried to start from the smaller models like Claude, Haiku, Claude, or GPT-4o mini. And if they gave us the correct answer for the part 1, we moved to the part 2, and sometimes they've solved this as well for the day 1 and day 2. But as you can see here, could be there could be some inconsistencies, like GPT-4o mini failed to solve the day 1 part 1, but then was able to solve the part 2. Why did this happen? This is because it failed actually to correctly solve the first part, but then after we've solved the first part with another model, it was able to iterate on the solution of the first part and improve it to get to solve the second problem, the second task, the second part. So that's why there could be some results like that. Like, for example, GPT-4o has quite a bit of failures. So yeah, like day 7, GPT-4o fails to solve the first part, but then was able to solve the second part. Again, it's not testing. We are not testing here GPT-4o on the same, like giving it both problems at the same time, or we didn't test it like if it solves the first part, it can go to the second part, not the other model. So yeah, that's why the more correct approach would be if we have 2 parts of the problem, like 2 parts of the day, and just go straight ahead with one module only to try solving them both at the same time, and then just testing without like one shot. It's not, we actually give it, I will give it like 3 attempts. Like it can be considered as a 3 shot, but 3 shots, but it won't be like, I won't be prompting it additionally to like help it solve the second part or the first part, or like if it gives me, if it just gives incorrect code, like with a missing import, which GPT-4o or GPT-4o mini tends to do quite a lot, just does not provide imports sometimes, then we consider this as fail. So yeah, so today will be a different approach. I will try to go straight ahead to the O1 model, but as O1 still is not available through the API, this is quite sad. But I don't know, OpenAI, why do you keep us waiting? You've already released O1 on the ChatGPT platform. Why not to the API? Why should we wait? But yeah, O1 preview still is the previous model. Probably is not as smart as O1, but I have doubts actually. And yeah, anyway, it does not just does not allow us to attach the screenshots to the O1 yet, because it's O1 preview. So I will be prompting the first part to the O1. I hope it will solve it. It should like solve it from the first attempt. But yeah, anyway, I will count the number of attempts. We'll try to solve both tasks with O1 from today until the 25th of December. So we'll be starting from O1, trying to solve both of the problems, and then we'll feed it the same problem, the same problem in one file, like in one go, two parts of the task, two different models, Claude Haiku, GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, and just on one attempt. We won't be doing like 3 attempts, but at least 1 attempt, and doing probably this in parallel, and then trying to figure out which gave us the correct code, which not. So I've shown you how we work in the cursor in all the previous videos. We won't be using a lot of its capabilities on these videos, starting from now. I will be using ChatGPT interface because I have a subscription. I don't want to, and Claude as well. I don't want to spend tokens there on the API because I've already have a subscription. So yeah, for something I can use cursor anyway, but because I have this, I have a prompt over there, and then in the ChatGPT interface I don't have a special prompt, or I just need to disable it. So the conditions should be pretty much the same. Anyway, from O1 for O1 we will just start from the API. And I've opened up the playground. I will copy the part 1 currently. We'll read the task. So this is our task description. Then we will provide it with a code we need to fill. It needs to fill. Then I will go to the README part and I will copy this one. And I will ask to solve the part 1. What should I else add? Not sure. We selected, so as you can see, I selected O1 preview. There is still no O1 mini and O1 preview. O1 mini, by the way, gave us satisfying results for most of the days, by the way. We can even sometimes try to start from this one, but O1 mini I have because I've run into the limits of O1 on the ChatGPT interface. I will try this one in Playground, but for O1 mini I will open ChatGPT interface. Yeah, I think that's it. And let's read the task. Let's see what's the idea is today.
You all arrive at a lava production facility on a floating island in the sky. As the others begin to search the massive industrial complex, you feel a small nose boop your leg and look down to discover a reindeer wearing a hard hat. The reindeer is holding a book titled Lava Island Hiking Guide. However, when you open the book, you discover that most of it seems to have been scorched by lava. As you're about to ask how you can help, the reindeer brings you a blank topographic map of the surrounding area, your puzzle input, and looks up at you excitedly. Perhaps you can help fill in the missing hiking trails. The topographic map indicates the height at each position using a scale from 0, lowest, to 9, highest. For example,
And we have all these numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our topographic map, which is like that, which is a map of the heights. And if you connect the dots of the same height, you will get some like some slice of the same height. So whenever you have these like rounded curved things, these are at the same height always. So these are of the same plane, so that you can go from this is the top. We can see that this is the top, and we can go down, 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 down. This is the same height again, then down, down, down. We can see where there are a lot of lines stuck close to each other. That's the how do you call it? Like very like it's slope. I forgot how do you call it, but yeah, it's like that. Yeah, and these are our heights.
Based on unscorched scraps of the book, you determine that a good hiking trail is as long as possible and has an even gradual uphill slope. For all practical purposes, this means that a hiking trail is any path that starts at height 0, ends at height 9, and always increases by a height of exactly 1 at each step. Hiking trails never include diagonal steps, only up, down, left, or right, from the perspective of the map. You look up from the map and notice that the reindeer has helpfully begun to construct a small pile of pencils, markers, rulers, compasses, stickers, and other equipment you might need to update the map with hiking trails.
Okay, so we need to find a way for the reindeer that will go from the lowest to the highest point, and where the differences between the heights are like exactly 1, or probably is less than 1, because it could be it could be exactly 1, so it could be or lower or like either uphill or downhill, could be, but it shouldn't be like 2 steps at a time. Yeah.
A trailhead is any position that starts one or more hiking trails. Here, these positions will always have height 0. Assembling more fragments of pages, you establish that a trailhead score is the number of 9 height positions reachable from that trailhead via a hiking trail. In the above example, the single trailhead in the top left corner has a score of 1 because it can reach a single 9. The one in the bottom left, this trailhead has a score of 2.
Okay, now we need to find different paths that lead to different 9 to different heights, meaning different points or that have 9 digit. So here we can reach this point, and again this point. That's why we have two trails.
The positions marked are impassable tiles. To simplify these examples, they do not appear on your actual topographic map. This trailhead has a score of 4 because every 9 is reachable via a hiking trail except the one immediately to the left of the trailhead.
Yeah, this is a pretty how do you call it? I forgot. So this is not reachable. It's just too high to go. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. We go there. We go there. So we have 2 paths. 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, another path. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another path. and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another probably not. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't count if we go to the same points by different paths. Yeah.
This topographic map contains two trailheads. The trailhead at the top has a score of 1, while the trailhead at the bottom has a score of 2.
Two trailheads. Trailhead at the top and score 1. And well, the trailhead at the bottom has scored 2. Oh, okay, so trailheads are if you start from 0. So we have different trailheads that are determined by the starting point, and then we have a path that should end with only one 9 digit. Here's the larger example, 101. So let's see.
This larger example has 9 trailheads. Considering the trailheads in reading order, they have scores of 5, 6, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, and 5. Adding these scores together, the sum of the scores of all trailheads is 36.
Okay.
The reindeer gleefully carries over a protractor and adds it to the pile. What is the sum of the scores of all trailheads on your topographic map?
So how do you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like 1. Again, we have another trailhead. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, because we have only like 9 digits, so all of the trail. So apparently they don't go down; they go only up. Okay. And the map is not too big. We could even try to visualize that. In any case, let's paste it into our input. And let's go to the solution and let's see what O1 preview has gotten us. No imports. I hope it's not using anything. So grid rows. Let's see if it runs. Yeah, 550. Let's see if this one is correct. Yeah. All right. So yeah. Perfect. O1 did it. And before we start reading task 2 and attempting it, no. What I do now? Let's paste it as one input. By the way, it gave us 3,800 tokens, reasoning tokens. So this is what it was thinking. Let's paste both tasks now and see if it get it. Nope, it's only part 2, then part 2, and solve both parts. And let's run. Now we are ready to, let's just read the solution and then we'll prompt all other models, both parts. So let's see. Grid, we get our grid again. It lists of integers. We just get all the lines and we split them, and we get our integers. Just grid. Then we count our how many rows and columns. Then we get our directions map. Okay, so it's again up, down, left, right. X and Y axis. Find all trailheads, positions with height 0, yeah, we try to find all the points that are zeros. Pretty straightforward. You go through all the rows and columns and just compare them to 0. We get the total score when we initialize the total score. And then we go trailhead for trailheads. In trailheads, we go initialize a dictionary, keep track of visited positions at each height. So we have a set of heights. It's h. Therefore, it shouldn't be the next move shouldn't be inside of the set. Positions at current height. We have a trailhead. So what visited? We add visited 0. We add first what? Okay, so we add a trailhead. So that we add the coordinates of visited points to the 0 height. Okay. Then we go for height in range. Next position set. We check probably neighbor points. Yeah. And we, if that's the point is inside the grid, we check the what's the height of the neighboring points around the point we are standing on, and we check whether we visited it before and whether it's height plus 1, our initial height, our current height plus 1. If yes, then we add this point and add it to visited points. Then we update our positions at the next height. Then after processing up to height 9, collect positions at height 9. We get all the positions. The score for this trailhead is the number of unique positions at height 9. The length of positions at height 9. Okay, and this was the correct answer, but let's see what it gets us for both parts. Whether it's able to solve them both at the same time. And the answer is 1255. Let's see if this is correct one. Yeah, all right. 2 points for O1 preview. What would I do that? I will create a folder of solutions and I will call them by their model name. O1. It's O1 preview. And now what we are going to do now is try with other models as well. Let's see. What I would just do is I will delete this answer. I will get my whole prompt and I will run it to the inside the cursor probably. So next model we will try. Let's start from the smaller model. So again, GPT-4o mini Pi, and let's ask it to solve. We're just giving it the same prompts as we gave to the O1 preview. We ask GPT-4o mini to solve this task. Yeah, and now I will run not the solution, but solutions. GPT-4o mini Pi. Let's see. So we should get 550 and 1255. it asked us to go to fill it in the existing code, which is probably this one, but yeah, for some reason. Okay, so it just gave me the answer. It considered that my prompt that I've gave it, like the code inside the prompt, is already available. Okay, never mind. I will consider that if the solution will be correct. Okay, it's not correct, but why it's the same? For the first part, it's correct. But the second is not. Yeah, we haven't read the second part, and let's read it. Let's read it.
The reindeer spends a few minutes reviewing your hiking trail map before realizing something, disappearing for a few minutes, and finally returning with yet another slightly charred piece of paper. The paper describes a second way to measure a trailhead called its rating. A trailhead's rating is the number of distinct hiking trails which begin at that trailhead. For example,
We have those things. Again, the map.
the above map has a single trailhead. Its rating is 3 because there are exactly 3 distinct hiking trails which begin at that position.
So now we count different paths that we can reach the same point. Is a map containing single trailhead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's different paths. Single trailhead with rating 13. Okay. So we consider all the possible paths from the starting point. This map contains single trailhead with rating 227 because there are 121 distinct hiking trails that can lead to 9 on the right edge. Okay, and 106 that lead to 9 on the bottom edge. Okay, there are a lot of them. Here's a larger example from before. Okay, considering trailheads in reading order, they have ratings 20, 24, blah blah blah. The sum of the trailhead ratings is larger. Larger example is 81. You're not sure how, but the reindeer seem to crafted some tiny flags out of toothpicks and bits of paper, blah blah blah, to help you mark. Okay. So yeah, let's try. So also I need to update the content, like results. 01 preview 100%. Yeah, like we do that, like stop. No. Part 1 100%, like just success. What took success? GPT-4o mini success for the first part, but not for the second. Let's see, by the way, what was the solution for the second part of the GPT or for 01 preview. So we have grid lines, height, trailheads. We find all trailheads. Then we for trailheads for trailhead and trailheads, x0, y0 is the coordinates of the trailheads initial. Ways, we have one way to reach the trailhead. For heights in from current height to the 9. Positions at height. We go through all the grids. If it's equal to our height, which is the next height that we are going to find. We are in the height 0. We try to find height 1. So that's why we start from 1. And the same if we update we have current height of 1, then we go to the next one, which is 2. And if we find 1, we add them to the positions. Then for x, y, and positions, total ways, check neighbors at height h-1. Okay, get neighbors of if that's number is h-1, and next x, next y in ways, we add to the total ways. If it's more than 0, then we for the initial position of our positions at h, we update the number of ways. The rating is the sum of the ways that reach the positions at the height 9. Okay, yeah, something like that. I'm lost. I'm lost somewhere over there. I was lost. So yeah, we tried GPT-4o Mini. Now we try Claude 3.5 Haiku. No. And again, we select Haiku file. We select Haiku model. And yeah. Oh, no. Can we go back? Nah. It has reverted our GPT-4o Mini code, but I wasn't including it. Can we go back? Please go back. Oh crap. Okay, let's give it another go. GPT-4o Mini. And GPT-4o Mini. They were fast anyway. Again, full code. Just wrote me existing code. Yeah, now it's fine. No, it's not fine. I forgot to read it, but I'll need to figure out the prompt so it will be able to write full code from the start. Okay, again, first one is pass, second one is not. So yeah, this was GPT-4o Mini. Now I will do a smarter thing. I'll create a new composer. Then I will attach Haiku folder file. Then I'll select Haiku and I'll say write solve both parts, write full code of the file. Slow requests, really? I've paid $40 and they are saying that I'm exceeding the limits because I've downgraded my subscription. But this should be just for the next month. It should it should renew today. When exactly? Okay, this is unfortunate. And I'm not sure when it's going to update the subscription. For some reason, just gave me the slow request, and yeah, global hedge rate limit. This is really unfortunate. Yeah, like cursor is disappointing with this one. Yeah, I'll ask it to solve inside Claude interface. Yep. Okay, so let's go. Let's see. Now, Claude. The answer is correct, but for some reason it just like the answer for both parts is swapped. Why? So the numbers are correct, but for some reason, I'll try once more because I'm not sure why it's confused with the parts. Because if we were to automate the solving, then it would be both failed. Yeah, it's like mixed results for both parts. Let's say it's solved the first one, but not the second. Haiku, part 2, fail. Let's go with GPT-4o, yeah, bye. And let's see, GPT-4o. Let's give it the same prompt. Yeah. Cursor is going to update my subscription today, so I won't be updating my subscription now manually. We'll try GPT-4o. Oh no, it's not the prompt. Sorry. This was it. Full solution. It's parsing the map. Find trailheads, which are 0. Is valid move. Checks if it's inside the map. And the height is the height that we are looking for is +1. Score trailhead. Okay. We check neighboring paths, neighboring points. Then we rating trailheads. While we have some stack. All right, this is interesting. It's not documenting anything, so it's hard to read, but the approach should be valid. Not this part, not this code. GPT-4o. Really, that's what I was saying. GPT-4o solves usually the easier problem, but it struggles with the second one. Yeah, let's say it's success, but then failed. I will try. I'll ask it once more. Try again. We'll see if it's any different. And we can, once it's doing, we can select another model, 3.5 Sonnet, but we need to copy the task again. Start new chart with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, GPT-4o is finished. Let's go and update again. Let's run it. Okay, now it's success. So it's like two, two successes for the part 2 and one success for the part, 2 successes for part 1 and 1 success for part 2. But I'll write it as a success for now. And then later, after I'll be automating it, I'll give it at least three attempts, and I will count them all. Claude 3.5 Sonnet, yeah, just probably will be success for both of them. And the code is just much more readable. You can see that it's created a class of points. It's different functions with a doc strings, like just clearly new level. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Let's see. Claude 2.5 Sonnet. Yeah, the answer is correct. If you wonder, I will just retry it from scratch, and I'm pretty sure that it will it will be able to solve both parts at this time as well. So it will be 2 out of 2, not like GPT-4o 1 out of 2 attempts. Now we try with 1o mini. And for 1o mini, I'm pretty sure it will do this correctly as well. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Oh, shit. And again. Yeah, the answer is correct. Different code. You can see this time we have no points class, but the doc strings, the comments are there. And the answer is correct. So yeah, 3.5 Sonnet is the king. And the solution is, yeah, this one is 01 mini answer. Let's add it 01 mini boy, and O1 mini, and the answer is correct. Yep. So O1 mini, 2 successes. Yeah. Okay. And we'll write this results, and yeah, now it's pretty. Let's update our readme with this. I'm not sure if it's able to do that. Yep. So update the readme file so that we have the same structure inside all of the so all of the days that will have in the folder of solutions of different models and models and results markdown. It should confirm. Yeah, it's asking me plus $20, but I've already paid for that. Yeah, could you just do that? Yep, I've updated it. I just don't need 1,000 of requests this month. But it asks me to just continue. Not to change the number of requests, or either way, I will be like reverted back to the 500, even though I have paid for 1,000 in this month. So yeah, project structure, multiple solution files, O1 preview, GPT-4o mini, input, results, yeah, day 1, day 2. Okay. Correct. Now update the structure for the structure. See current folder tree to make sure, and then update day and further. So let's see the current directory. It sees structure of day 10. It sees then structure of the solutions. Yeah, it's now updating the README, and we'll create the same structure for 11 day and onwards. Yeah, accept. By the way, it would be better if we have a result in JSON, but I can do this later. Whenever I'm going to automate. Why did it stop? Go on. Yeah. We've already seen that. Go on. Some reason just what do you do? What are you trying to update? Yeah. Go on. Cancel, accept. Go on. Let's create the result MD. Accept. Yeah, finally. Generating command. It's already there. Oh, not the solutions. Solutions are not there. Okay, now do the same for the other days. Okay, so we have them updated. Create template and result MD. I've now created some solutions folder each day and results. Yeah, it definitely has results. Now rename the solution. Y to the solution template file in days and what should we do there? Or should be like no, not rename. No, copy the solution template to all needed model names, model solutions files. Create them in days, in all rest of the days. It's reading the file or one preview. No, it shouldn't do that. Yeah, the solution template. Yeah, the correct path, by the way. The correct path. If we were to solve it inside day 10, probably the... No, not inside day 10. No. So we are running the file not from the solutions folder, but from the day folder. Or should we? Yeah, we should probably go to the solutions and then run them one by one. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. I'll accept it, and so here's the command for day in 11 to 25 for model do for model in O1 preview, GPT-4o mini Claude, GPT-4o Claude Sonnet, O1 mini, copy to the solutions, solution template and model. Okay, done. Yeah, and we'll see that in all files, in all folders, we have different, yeah, I mean the same templates for all the models, and empty result markdown. Yeah, we can just delete the solution by there. Okay, we delete the solution template. Yeah, we do that, and yeah, we just, and also, so delete solution by in others. Yeah, okay, so minus of the solution by. Okay, yeah, we did that. Perfect. So we've prepared. It found out some linter errors. Okay, never mind. Just don't mind. Okay. It's found this linter error, and because it's there's nothing to return, but I don't mind for now. Yeah, create new composer. So yeah, I've prepared everything, and we'll go using this template from the day 12. So yeah, today's day 10, and you can see from now on you will see different models in different files. You can see how they solved, and yeah, and compare their solution by yourself. Yeah, there are a lot of files, and let's see what the commit message is. Yeah, add solutions for even code challenges. Update now. Edit results for each day. Placeholder results. implemented new solution scripts. No. Edit template solution scripts for days 11 to 25, including various approaches, various models. No. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next day. And we'll try other models. Not other models, the same models. By the way, no, stop. Do not go anywhere. I haven't finished. I'll be trying Gemini. There is a nice model which is on par with the O1, which is called Gemini Experimental 1206. Yeah, Gemini Experimental 1206. And I have this message, and we'll see what it should give us. An internal error occurred. Yeah, it's definitely not what I wanted. So it didn't think a lot, but it's already started writing the code, but previously it was doing something else. I will add Gemini 1206 pi, and let's copy the code. I'm not sure whether this is a correct one. Let's see. Python and Gemini. Oh, it's really a correct one. Okay, so Gemini solved it. But yeah, it's barely readable. Docstring is not anymore. Not a lot of not descriptive at all. The namings are just bad. Okay, Q is Q, meaning QEV. Roll column. It's like, yeah, if someone were just writing this code to solve it just fast to get to the leaderboard, not caring too much about the readability of the code. But yeah, anyway, Gemini solved it. I will add it to our lists. Input, not input, results. Let's add it. Gemini success. Yeah. We'll return to this one. Let's add Gemini. See that I've added Gemini as well. Update everything for until 25, day 25. So yeah, it should update the day 11. Then it should go and copy the results to all the days. Then it should also give me the solution files. Solution copies O1 preview to the Gemini for all of the days. And let's see. Yeah, this is a correct one. Perfect. Yeah. Let's submit this one. Okay. Now thank you for watching and have a good day.